In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a grid view on Google Meet with the grid view extension, allowing you to see everyone in your meeting at once. This feature can be particularly useful for educators, team leaders, or anyone who wants a more organized view of all participants during a video conference. So let's get started on enhancing your Google Meet experience. First, you need to navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Google Meet website URL, or if you have it bookmarked, simply click on that. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll see the option to join or start a meeting. For the purpose of setting up the grid view, let's start a new meeting. Click on the New Meeting button. This will prompt you with a few options to schedule, start, or create a meeting link. For now, we'll choose Start an Instant Meeting. Selecting this option will immediately create a new meeting for you without the need for scheduling anything in advance. Once your meeting window is open, you'll see yourself on the screen, but that's not where we're stopping. We want that full grid view feature. So look for the 3 horizontal dots, which signify more options. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu with additional settings. From this menu, navigate to Change Layout. This option allows you to customize how participants are displayed on your screen during the meeting. Usually Google Meet offers several layout options like Auto, Tiled, Spotlight, and Sidebar. To enable the grid view, we're going to focus on the tiled option. Choosing the tiled layout is crucial because this is essentially what turns on the grid view without needing any additional browser extensions. It's simple and effective for meetings with a lower number of participants, up to 16. If your meetings often have more people than this, you might want to consider using a browser extension specifically designed for grid view, which can accommodate many more participants. Now that you've chosen tiled, you should see participants' video feeds neatly arranged in equally sized rectangles. This setup makes it easy to keep track of everyone in the meeting, ensuring you don't miss any facial cues or reactions during your discussions. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more organized, user-friendly view of your Google Meet sessions. This grid view ensures everyone gets equal visibility on your screen, making your meetings more engaging and interactive. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in your next virtual gathering. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy meeting,